Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an electric can opener. Works on almost all cans. Almost all cans. We'll see if it works on this can of corn I have here. If I can open it. Let's see. Okay. So this is what it looks like here. Funny. Push and hold the button for 2 seconds to make it stop. Not stop automatically, press something like that. So this is what it looks like here. It looks like it's going to take, looks like 4 AAA batteries. And I have my handy dandy battery holder here with my batteries. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, oops, did that one go in there? 3 and 4, okay. So now, okay, so let's see what I have to do now. I had to hold it button for 2 seconds. So let's see if this works. So let's put it on here. So it goes like that. It kind of holds itself in place. And then 1, 2. And now it's doing whatever it needs to do. So I can see it's cutting around the edge. Hopefully you can hear me. It's hard to do while it's holding. I'm not very steady. But you can put it on the counter and just let it go. Okay, and there, it looks like it's done. Oh, there we go. So I push it to stop, and there we go. So it opened it up, and now it's kind of magnetized the lid on, but I can just take that lid off there, and then I can strain my corn. I don't like my corn super wet. Strain it into the sink here. And there we go. So now I have a nice, clean edge cut can. So let me dump this. Oops, I didn't open up my little container. Dump it in there. And see, that's how it worked, and it has nice edges. It's not really sharp or anything, so it seemed to cut it and open it really well. How cool is that? So this is the KITCHENMUH can opener. So totally cool. Thumbs up.